The TrimUI Smart Pro is a retro handheld gaming device that can be purchased from Amazon, eBay, Mech DIY, amongst a litany of other e-commerce sites. It is priced at $69.99 for the console alone, all the way up to $119, which includes a micro memory card, 256 gigabytes with CrossMix OS installed. The system configuration I purchased was $79.99 with CrossMix OS installed, 64 gigabyte SD card, and also a carrying case. If you buy the console only, you can install the OS yourself, but you will have to procure a micro SD. The TrimUI Pro comes in black, white, or the retro color I have, which I find the most visually appealing. The buttons on the system are similar to the Switch Joy-Cons and are a delight to press. The shoulder buttons feel good, but they can be awkward to press at times. The analogs are shorter than I would have liked, and they are not clickable. At the top of the system are the shoulder buttons, the power button, the host connector, and the volume up and down. The bottom of the system houses the function button, C charger port, speaker, micro memory card slot, and the auxiliary jack for headphones. Please be aware the ergonomics of this system aren't the best. It can be quite taxing to play the system for long periods of time. The size is similar to a Super Nintendo controller, and it does not have any place to rest your hands on the back. Please keep that in mind before purchase. The Smart Pro divides all mechanics between 7 helpful tabs atop the system screen. In our Settings tab, we have Display and various options to help you on your journey with the Smart Pro. Others include Volume, Wi-Fi, Hotspot, System, Key Map, which you can map all your keys to where you would like them, Themes, and Bluetooth. Going back to themes, changing the themes will allow you to change all of the icons within your settings menu. Under the Apps tab, your first option will be the function key setting. This will allow you to map a particular function to the function button located at the bottom left of your system. This makes it an easy task to toggle between normal mode to performance mode when playing games that require more effort from the CPU, i.e. PSP, N64, and Dreamcast games. You can also map the LED on or off to the function key as well, or quiet or silent mode. Whatever you prefer, there are many different options to choose from. Make your gaming journey your own. Moonlight will allow you to stream your PC screen to your TrimUI Smart Pro. The media player will allow you to watch videos and movies downloaded to your micro SD card. The USB storage will allow you to access your SD card without removing it from the TrimUI Smart Pro. Just connect your TSP with a USB cable. The next option is the over-the-air update, which will allow you to update the system as long as you're connected to Wi-Fi. The file manager will of course allow you to manipulate all of the files located on your Smart Pro UI system. EmuClean is a tool that will display only emulators where ROMs are present and hide the others. If you add a pack of games, run it to automatically display the corresponding emulators. Boot logo will allow you to change the logo you see when starting up the TrimUI Smart Pro. The 4.96-inch fully laminated IPS screen with a resolution of 1280 by 720 is truly gorgeous while using the system. Scraper will allow you to download box art from games, but you will need a third-party program on your PC to assist. Screen Record will allow you to save intense gameplay. In System Tools, you'll be able to customize your TSP even further with options such as emulators, LEDs, network, themes, tools, and user interface. I find that the option to customize LEDs was pretty profound. I like to turn the ring lights into my battery advisors, just so I never risk running out of battery. I won't go through any additional options here for the sake of keeping this video as short as possible. However, if you've gleaned any information from this video, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps me a ton as I am a small creator on YouTube trying to grow my channel. Thanks. Just an FYI, please remember to go back to system settings and calibrate your joysticks, as mine weren't calibrated when I received the system. If you don't like the overlays while playing the different emulators, you will have to go to each emulator separately and remove them. This is how you can remove those overlays. First, go into the emulator and log into any game. Hit the menu key and then scroll up to Advanced Menu. Then scroll down to On-Screen Overlay and turn this option off. Press the B button to go back one time, then scroll down to Shaders and turn that option off as well. Hit the B button yet again, then scroll back up to Save States. Once there, you can go to the Save State option, save, and then you're done. The remaining portion of the video is gameplay on various emulators. And please tune in to videos in the future. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.